Hi, my name's Dan. Just got done riding the Blizzard Bushwacker. It's a great ski for all over the mountain. At 88 underfoot, really makes for a ski that can ski frontside carver to playing in the trees to anything, you know, under 6 to 8 inches of fresh snow. It's got a carbon core in there, so it's got a great pop from edge to edge. But at high speed, I did find that it had a little bit of chatter to it. If you're looking for something a little more carver, I would say try something a little bit damper than this ski. But if you're looking for a great cruising all mountain ski that can allow you to play in some fresh snow, the Blizzard Bushwacker is great for you. This ski is perfect for anyone that's a strong, advanced to expert rider.